Picture this, a bustling store with customers roaming the aisles and staff rushing around to keep up. It's the everyday retail dance, a constant juggling act of inventory management, customer service, and sales prediction. A world where businesses are perpetually striving to satisfy customer demands while maintaining a competitive edge. It's not just about selling products anymore, it's about delivering a seamless shopping experience. And let's not forget the challenge of predicting what will sell next. But what if there was a better way to do things? In comes artificial intelligence, transforming the retail landscape as we know it. This isn't your run-of-the-mill tech upgrade. No, AI technology is a game changer. It's streamlining operations, personalizing customer experiences, and making sales forecasts more accurate than ever. Industry experts are raving about it, saying things like, "It's the key to unlocking untapped potential and future-proofing businesses." And who's at the forefront of this retail revolution? PPC AI Technologies. PPC AI Technologies is leading the way, providing cutting-edge solutions for retailers across the globe. Our innovative technology is a game changer, helping retailers of all sizes and scopes overcome challenges and maximize profits without resorting to price gouging. We pride ourselves on our ethical and responsible use of AI, ensuring it's a tool that benefits both businesses and consumers alike. And the future looks even brighter with PPC AI Technologies. Retailers, get ready to step into the future. Picture this, a haven for innovation, the PPC AI Technology Center for Excellence Campus. Set to open doors in Metro Vancouver, British Columbia in the third quarter of 2024, it's a place where cutting-edge AI solutions meet the retail industry. The anticipation is building and we can't wait to share more with you. Stay tuned for more as we continue to shape the future of retail with PPC AI Technologies.